Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pistachio gelato step by step. Start by gathering 250 grams of shelled pistachios, whole milk, cream, sugar, and egg yolks. Toast and grind the pistachios to a paste, then heat milk and cream with a portion of sugar. Temper the yolks, cook to custard, fold in pistachio paste, cool thoroughly and churn until dense and creamy for the best gelato texture. Toast the pistachios lightly to unlock aroma, then allow them to cool before grinding. Use a food processor and add a teaspoon of neutral oil or a splash of milk to reach a spreadable paste consistency. Scrape the sides often and pulse carefully to avoid overheating, which dulls color and flavor. The paste should be smooth but still verdant and fragrant, ready to fold into your sweet custard base for an authentic pistachio gelato. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a neat little helper for kitchen timers and playlists that keeps your hands free while you cook. Look in the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Warm the milk and cream with most of the sugar, stirring until dissolved. Then slowly temper the egg yolks with a ladle of hot liquid. Return everything to the pan and cook on low until the custard coats the spoon, roughly 82°C, or until it thickens slightly. Strain the custard for silkiness. Chill it quickly to halt cooking. Then blend in the pistachio paste before churning for superb gelato mouthfeel and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.